Hi, class. Again, for the second Tuesday, I'll be gone. This is the assignment is airplanes to spaceships, and we'll talk. Obviously, I'll let you do the reading here, but obviously, the Wright brothers, Wilbur and Orville Wright, were just amazing in terms of developing one of the first. They get notoriety for being the first plane flight with an engine. And what's interesting about doing planes, especially in this view here, is you get to look underneath something. So the perspective is a little unique. I'll show you here. Let's see if I can get this thing down a little closer. There we go. So what you're going to be doing is at this point you're looking up at something. For now, we've been pretty much looking at something straight on. But now here's the horizon. So you draw your horizon like this, and remember, for perspective, you've got vanishing points like up here and like here. See? Now generally we were always drawing things down here. So a box, a person was kind of always in this range down here. See? But this is where the perspective, that line goes now, arcs way up to here, arcs this way, and that's when you get this view here. So we're going to take this, we're going to draw the underside of the airplane, and he's got these big wings through here. I don't know if you've studied this type of thing, but this part up here, this is very interesting. That's actually where they made their patents. This was the maneuverability. This was the thing that was so unique about this as a glider that had an engine. That part there was the part that actually turned the vehicle, and that's really what made it a very unique vehicle. So we're going to actually turn this out more like this. Here's this way. So we do the bottom. Again, very light lines constructed this way. You've got these are called skids, and then right above it is the second airfoil above it. The skids will come in something like this. So you're just drawing these lines to get the perspective right. See that? So you can tell there's going to be a skid here. You can see the wing through here. And so what we'll do, and there's two sets. So I'll start with so that's our light. That's our construction. You got line going this way. Here's your horizon. You're looking up at this thing, this vehicle. So I'll come back in here again. Look at the pictures I gave you as well. And we'll start with this. Draw this a little bit lighter. I mean a little bit darker. And from the skids, that'll be sort of the basis of the starting point of this vehicle. And again, you always change it as you learn the perspective. That skid kind of goes up inside here a little bit. See that? So that's the front. That's this part here. Got the skids. This comes up just a little bit here. That becomes where the attachment of the wings will be. There we go. So we got the two wings. Again, they're pointed this way because you're looking up at the bottom of it. And then these tend to want a couple of lines here to locate. And just take your time. And it's a very complex design project or drawing project. You got the skids connected to the bottom of the wing here. And then what we'll do, we'll just go ahead and darken the bottom of the wing a little bit like this. Here. Just a little bit here. There. So now we can go back and, so that's sort of our remember, so you have the construction lines, it's very light. We have the horizon line here. You could actually put in some trees if you want. So it looks like it's really, you can tell that it's really off the ground. Okay, you even have a person here in the foreground looking up at it, the back of this person doing this. So you can just put the back end of a person standing here like this. And that's could be a field here like this. See? But again, you're looking, so he's looking up at it this way. See that? You can go back in and just redesign some of this, make it a little darker outline. Again, I'm going real quick here, but you take your time and get all the pieces to it. Right inside here, you might find some people in there. And the motor actually sits in this area through here. So, but if you look closely, you'll see these. So I just take your time. Don't try and do this as fast as I'm doing it. I think you can get it. But see, right inside here, so the motor and the propellers are out here. So this is how this thing worked, okay? Pretty amazing piece of history, actually. See, we'll just kind of, there. Okay, so that's the first, that's Wilbur and Orville's, their plane. And again, the idea, it's kind of fun to try and do this plane. I know it's a little difficult, but the idea, you're looking up, now you're looking up at the object this way in that perspective, okay?